Today, I'll be teaching you the simplest form of analyzing the market, which is support and resistance. If you are wondering what support and resistance is, or thinking about can you be profitable using only support and resistance? Well, this video is for you. I'll show you how you can identify support and resistance in the market and also make use of it. So now, let us dive into business. So before we move to the chart, so I will quickly want to show you something about support and resistance level. So assuming this is a resistance level and this is a support level, you've learned that for you to validate this level, for you to know that this level of a resistance is valid, you need more than a touch, which means the price must touch this level, bounce back, also happen, make sure it happens the second time, and after this we will know that this is now a resistance zone, so also support zone. If it happens this way, we know that this is a valid support zone. But what again you need to know? What you need to know is that a support level can become a resistance level, and a resistance level can also turn to a support level. How do I mean? So imagine it happens, the market touches, drops, happens again, and now you believe this is a resistance zone. So then the third touch, when it happens, the market happens to break that level, because it could happen as well. So if you notice something like this, so automatically this level has turned to what? A support level, because the price is above that level. So whenever a price is above a level, that means that level is a support level, and when the price is below a level, it means that level is a resistance level. So now this is now a support level. Do you understand? And if it happens that it breaks this level, touches again, then this is now a resistance zone. So you can also notice the same thing happen to the support level. You see, so it has become a resistance level now, not more a support level. So these are the things I quickly want to show you before we move to the chart. So now let's get to the chart. So how do you identify your support level and resistance level? So for me, it might be easy because I'm much more acquainted with the chart than you. So for you, you might need to zoom out a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. If you zoom out, then you'll be able to see what's going on the chart. Now, I could spot this level, this very first touch, and this second touch, that the market or the price drops significantly after getting to this level, making this level a resistance zone. So now, I'll be drawing out my level. So now, from the body to the wick of the candle, then I will stretch it out. So which means this zone is a resistance zone. The market touches twice. You could see the first touch is here, the second touch happens to be here as well, and the market drops significantly. And with what I just explained to you, it happened that the third touch and the fourth one happens to break this level. And after breaking this level turns to a support level. So this is exactly what happened. This is the first touch, second touch, and third touch. The fourth one happens to break the level, and we have a support zone now. No more a resistance zone. Then the market shoot up. You understand? So if you also want to know your support level, or you want to draw the level, just try to zoom out a little bit. For me, I can easily spot these levels. Market touches here, and also here. So what are you going to do? So you make sure you draw out your level, stretch it out. So this is a support level. The first touch, the second touch, the third touch. So we are expecting the market to get to this point, then we buy. And if it happens, the market gets to this point, you can sell. But make sure you always update your chart. If it happens that a resistance you are trading on a lower time frame, you know that you need to observe new resistance and levels that the market is creating as well. So clean your chart time to time and draw new levels that you observe. And if you're finding it difficult to draw out those levels, what do? You can change these candles to line. You understand? So if you are using line, it can also be much more easier for you to see those levels. So this will be the first one, the second one, and also first, second one, third one. And if you observe closely, you also notice what I talked about, which is this level that has turned to a support level. Then the price broke out of the level as well, and it turns to a resistance again. Do you understand? So that will be all for now about supporting resistance zone. So make sure you practice with every time frame. As I just practiced, I'll show you with 24 hours time frame. You can turn to 8 hours, turn to 4 hours, because as you are having support and resistance on 24 hours, if you turn to 4 hours, you will also have a different support and resistance zone. So depending on the type of trader you are, so make sure you choose your time frame carefully, and make sure you always clean your chart time to time to draw a new support and resistance. Now that we've come to the end of the video, I believe you should be able to spot support and resistance in the market and also pick trade with them. Unlike every other need that there is in the world, there's no best way to do things when it comes to forex trading. So keep practicing so that you get more acquainted with it, and we'll see you in the next video.